wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. You to show that you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know.
Patay mo na, Nay.
What would you do if my heart was
Done na. No more. No more. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, water. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dan. Wala, dito na.
if I had to live a life without you near me? Days would all be empty. The night would seem so long. If you would see forever, oh so clearly, might have been in love. Never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know
May gagawin pa ako eh.
Hey. Slide. Wee. Who's that?
Bella.
Bella. Is Bella ganda? Daddy Pogi? Paano Daddy Pogi?
Daddy.
Pogi. Careful, Bella.
Ayan ang Bella.
Ay na, ay na.
Ay na, Bubbles. Bye-bye na, Bubbles.
Nakikita ba yung bawal?
Nakikita mo yung mga bubbles?
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Bubbles. Count the bubbles. Bye-bye, Bubbles. Oh, smile muna. I'll take a picture of you. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. One more. 1, 2, 3, 3. Say cheese. Bella. Say cheese. Bubbles. Say cheese.
Mama. Ah.
R.
Two.
Can I take a picture of you first?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Say cheese.
Cheese.
One. Look at mommy. Cheese. One more. Say cheese. Talk to Lola. Say hi, Lola. Do you like my eyeglasses? Ask mo si Lola. Bagay sa kanya na yun, ah. Kiss mo na kay Lola, kiss.
Love you.
Love you. Say kiss Lola. Oh. Love you.
O, ga-charge yun ako. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Patayin mo na. The red button.
Bye-bye.
Go to the red button.
Pwede ba maging memorable ang isang 3-month relationship, Margo?
Pwede naman po kasi depende yun kung ano yung ginagawa nyo.
Hindi ba? Hati yun.
So, kasi nga, bodybuilder, kapag nasa plotting phase po kami, sobrang low ng energy namin. Kasi, ang food intake namin is direct chicken breast, is sayang, pero naka-grams pa siya.
Kainin ng ulo.
Sobrang, mabilis kang ma-trigger. Tapos, marami ka pang, kailangan po mag-training.
Kasi ayun na sabi ko, kaya kinainit ulo mo kasi ano yung konti lang kinakain mo at saka puro manok. Yeah. Kinakain mo pero pilit din ang ulo mo. Okay, saan kinakain yan? Wala sa kinakain. Marunong ka kasi sa baboy eh. Dati damo-damo lang, di ba? Kami yun. Yun. Yung may baboy. Tumalong ka sa baboy, nag-init yung ulo. Ako nag-init ang ulo ko dati. Puro saging lang kasi. Sa kami hindi. Masarap sa akin. Ang hirap kasi diba, parang kakain ka na nakalambitin. Ang hirap. Kasi mag-out of town ka na.
Hockey. Kaneni. Isa mami.
Pwede ko magawa ka ng ayos na spray net na tinabuhin.
Kasi nga po, during that time for competition, so, dahil nga po na sobrang ganda ko, gusto ko magpapakita sa kanya na naiintindihan ko siya. So,
Mas mainitin ang ulo sa inyo. Ikaw kasi, Carl?
Feeling ko po ako.
Mainitin ang ulo mo.
kasi siya yung nakaprep po that.
What happened to your robot? Kuya Tom Tom's robot. Sabihin mo, inhale, exhale.
Daddy. Chewbacca.
Close.
Si A.
Say ah. Where's robot's mouth? Say ah. Open your mouth. Sabihin mo, open your mouth.
Sa fast food po, street kitchen ko.
Is he okay?
Anong pick-up line mo kay Marga?
Marga, alam mo, pag
Is the robot okay?
bibentahan mo sila lahat ng
What do you think?
kasi sa'yo lang ako magmamahal.
I think the robot needs to rest. I think the robot needs to sleep for a while. Bella,
Daddy.
let the robot sleep muna, ha? The robot will take a nap and then later you guys will play. Ha? Kiss na si robot. Bye-bye na si robot.
Siguro si Corky.
Mamaya na lang si robot. Night-night mo na, robot.
Night, night.
Night-night, robot. Balikan mo na lang later, ha?
Talaga sa
Sim, sim, sim.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Okay.
6, 5, 4. Kanta na ikaw.
Five.
Blast off!
Sim, sim, sim.
Twinkling stars are shining bright, shooting past us on our flight. Zoom, zoom, zoom,
Sim.
we're going to the moon.
9, 8, 7.
5, 3, 2.
Blast off!
Zoom, we've landed on the moon. Zoom, 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 we've landed on the moon. Planet Earth looks far away, just a short time we can stay. Zoom, 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 we've visited the moon.
Oh, bye-bye na. Kakain na tayo. Oh, all done na, all done. Next time naman.
Bye.
This egg, I will do it. na. Ah. Bella. Good job. What about the bags? Ah, you put the bags there.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, we're gonna pick up Mamo soon. Thank you. Are you waiting for Mamo? Where's Mami? Tawag mo na siya.
Hello, mommy. Hello. 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 Hello.
Lakasan mo, sigawan mo Mami. Shout mo, shout Mami. Where are you?
Where are you?
Tawag mo na lang si Mama sa phone. Tutut, tutut, tutut.
Hello, mama. It's in.
Ayan na.
Bye.
Yan na si Mami. Yan na si Mami. Yan na si Mami.
Bye-bye.
Mami. Nakangisi na siya, oh. Grabe yung iyak niya kanina.
Umiiyak?
Yeah.
Na?
Bumili na lang kami ng mga prutas.
Oo.
Tapos, pag uwi namin,